welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to create account on GitHub. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open GitHub on your Chrome browser and now open the website. Here you will see the sign in and sign up button on the top right side. Click on sign up. Now you have to enter your username. First you have to enter your Gmail, then your password. You have to write the complete Gmail so that it can access to your Gmail, and don't forget to add numbers to your password too. Now write your username and now select your country, such as I am selecting United Kingdom, UK. You can change it on the inside too. Now just click on sign in. You can also save the password to your Google account. Again click on continue. On this page you will see this puzzle that you have to solve. So what did we see? That we have to match the items from the first picture to the second. So there are various pictures on the second side, so we have to match them with the left one. So no, next one, next. This doesn't match also. Yeah, I think this one is the real one, and it's done. As you can see that the picture has been matched. After that you will receive a Gmail password on your Gmail from GitHub. Open the Gmail. As you can see that the password has been received. Just copy the password and paste it on the GitHub, and it will automatically continue and it will be directed to this page. Here you will have to just click on sign in and you will be signed into your account, and you can see the dashboard and all the things on this page. So this was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.